Apple just released the official iOS 26 update for everyone, and it's full of new features. But honestly speaking, you don't have to spend 15 to 20 minutes to find out about them. So in this video, I'll show you the first things you need to try after you update to iOS 26 without wasting your time. So let's jump right in. Okay, so let's start with the biggest change, the new customization features. On the lock screen, you can resize the clock by dragging on the handle. For now, this only works for the first font. Next, in the wallpaper settings, there is a new wallpaper which has a dynamic option. This will transition colors based on the time of the day. On the home screen, you can tap and hold to go into edit mode, then customize, and here you can choose the clear option to make your icons transparent. You can have it in both light mode and dark mode. In this menu, you also have a toggle to make your icons smaller or larger. This also toggles the text of the names of your apps. In the edit mode, you also have the option to edit your home screen wallpaper right from here. Another amazing feature in iOS 26 is the new spatial photos. You can try it on any photo with a clear subject and background. Just tap on the new spatial scenes icon on the top right and it will give your photo a parallax effect. You can even have this as your lock screen wallpaper. It works best with images that have some depth into them. This next one is an unexpected change from Apple, the redesigned camera app. Just open the camera app and explore the new liquid glass design. The options on the bottom look different. You can slide on it to reveal more. You can also swipe up to reveal the new menu with the flash and exposure options. And on the top left, you can directly choose the format and resolution of your photos or videos. There's also a fresh new design to the app you probably use the most on your phone, the redesigned phone app. The tabs on the bottom have a new liquid glass design that you can slide to jump between pages. From the menu on the top right, you can choose the new unified layout. This will merge your favorites and voicemails into your call section. Looks best when you have at least 8 favorites. Next, in the Apple Music settings, you can turn on animated art. It will make the album art on your lock screen animate whenever you play music on Apple Music. Right now, not all music have animated art, but the ones that do look really sick. Another new thing in the music settings you can try is song transitions. You can choose the new option called Auto Mix. This will transition your songs based on the key and tempo of each song instead of just a simple crossfade. It works kinda like a DJ, sounds pretty cool. Next, the clock has a new interface for the alarms and timers. The buttons are much bigger, bolder, and easier to access. Also, when setting your alarm, you can now choose a custom snooze duration from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Next, you can set new background images on your iMessage chats. Just tap on the contact and go into background. Explore the new options, they're all pretty amazing. The Photos app has a slight redesign. It's just 2 options on the bottom now. In the phone settings, there is a new feature to screen unknown callers. The new option you get is Ask Reason for Calling. So whenever you get a call from an unknown number, your iPhone will speak to the caller and ask them the reason for the call. Only after that will your iPhone actually start ringing. This one is actually a very useful feature. Next, in the settings app, go to General and go into Screen Capture. Here you get the new screenshot options. There are 2 new ones. First is the full screen previews. This will show you a full screen preview whenever you take a screenshot. The next one is the HDR format option. This will capture your screenshots with full dynamic range, which basically means they look slightly better. Also, you get new ringtones in iOS 26. Check them out. My favorite one is the Dreamer ringtone. And by the way, I have 2 really great videos on customizing your iPhone on iOS 26. You should definitely check them out to find out how you can actually use all these new features to customize your phone. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I felt that most videos on this topic were unnecessarily long. It is a big update, I know, but apart from a few major things, most of it are small changes. And with this video, my goal was to cut the fluff and keep you updated with what's new and important without wasting your time. So if you liked it, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more iOS videos. Peace.